This plant is called Ludwigia perennis. It's one of those water-loving plants that one can find in growing in open drains, where rainwater and little grey water and all goes in. So this is the open drain. At the edges, this kind of growth it likes, and it has small yellow flowers that's having I think 4 petals. They're not yet opened up because it's a bit early in the morning, but I'll try to show us a little close up. So these little yellow flowers are there, and leaves are have very simple structure and quite soft, and they contain good amount of moisture. And if it gets water stressed, it turns, or too much of sun and water stress, it turns reddish. That's another way to identify this one. Then after the seeds of the flower falls, it looks like this, that remnant of the stem. It can grow up to a couple of feet and all, 4-5 feet and all. It grows tall in a good location, and commonly you can find it in wet areas, shallow stream beds, semi-submerged places, then these drains. So from that one can gather that this can has potential as a plant that can be grown in lotus ponds, lily ponds and all on the edge. And then it is suitable for these dragonfly ponds. Then one wants to create natural water bodies and use local plants, etc. And this Ludwigia is a all India plant. It occurs from Bengal to border of Kerala in India. And I've tried growing it in a waterlogged pot, and it does well in the balcony and all. Flowers become little bigger when there's no competition. Here it is growing along with a number of other species. So this is the Ludwigia perennis.